Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about your fuel or gas door not being able to stay shut. Now we're going to push it in, it will just come back out. Generally what tends to happen is that your fuel door is not being closed because of this actuator. The actuator's job is to keep the door in place, and if it's releasing it, that means it's not doing this job accordingly. There's something that you could try before you do a replacement, and that's spraying it with some WD-40 to remove the debris, and it might work or it might not work. Try it out, see how it goes. But for the rest of this video, we're going to talk about how do you actually go in and replace the actuator. We will need two things for this job: a screwdriver, flat one, and the actual new actuator. Here's the actuator, or the part, and how it looks. And if you look at the top section, those are the things that we need to be able to push down to remove the actuator from its spot. Grab a knife or grab a screwdriver, push down the little sections that I showed you, and then from the sides, pressure it out. You're gonna have to wiggle it around because it is sitting in a tight spot, so just try it a few different movements and you should be able to pull it out. Trying to move up a bit because there's a groove that holds it in place. Play around with it and you'll be able to get it out. We now need to disconnect the actuator, and we start with the white plastic part. Pull it back, force it back, pull it back, so you have to remove it and it will click out of place. But the connector is still plugged in. We're going to have to use a screwdriver to push up from the inside, and you're going to have to pull it back. Don't use the knife, it's not safe. Now grab your new actuator and plug it into the socket. Test your actuator very quickly to ensure that it works as expected. And you can see that there's electricity is going through. Grab the plastic white part again, push it back in place until it clicks, and then we can continue back with putting in the actuator in its spot. Start with the bottom part into the into its own groove, and then just push it in hard. It'll go into place, it'll click, and you should be good to go. Now it's time to test your door and make sure that it does close and the actuator is working. So pushing the fuel door, it will click back in, click it, it'll come back out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.